So the bed structure, both sides are symmetric. They can function as a desk, and it's cantilevered. And to make it a bed, okay, worth to mention, it all folds to the width of the door. To make it a bed, we can fold it down, and I drop in a pin to secure it. And now it's really stiff and strong. Both sides are cantilevered. Now to make the bed from it, we do that. I have to pop this guy in. And that makes bed with a 3-inch mattress. So the overall depth is about 6 inches, maybe 5 inches, and there's no legs underneath, so you've got complete storage access underneath. So that's the single bed option. The benefit with Ducato is the width across. Oops. And everything doubles up to make it the double size. So I can go for the 2 split desks with the bed to the double bed. Same deal, I've got another set of mattresses. So that's all that mode. So you could probably stop the video, that's the bed mode.